Is it possible to make money from home using AI? The answer is 1000% yes. In today's video, I'll be going over 5 top AI side hustles that you guys can do from home if you want to start making $1,000 or more per day. We'll go through what each of these business opportunities is, go through examples of other people doing it successfully, and of course, I'll show you how you guys can do it yourself. And yeah, if you're looking for a side hustle to start, doing something related to AI is for sure one of the smartest moves you can do, and you'll see why in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so the first AI side hustle we're talking about today is resume creation services. Now, of course, resumes, it's a less sexy side hustle or business idea, but this is something that's always in demand and it presents a lot of lucrative opportunities when you combine it with AI. If we search up resume on Fiverr, we can see there are a lot of people offering these types of resume services. And when you do this correctly and scale using AI to make the whole process a lot more efficient, that's when you can really start making a lot of money. Not only can you create resumes and cover letters for other people, you can also offer resume consulting services. And all these are very high value skills that people are willing to pay a lot of money for. Now you might be wondering, how does this actually relate to AI? Well, let me show you guys how you guys can use AI to really kickstart this business and facilitate your services. And later on, I'll tell you guys how you can really niche down so that you can actually charge even more money. For example, take a look at this one. They're going to revise your engineering resume as a tech recruiter and they charge at least $250. All right, so I have ChatGPT opened up right here. And the thing that a lot of people don't realize is that ChatGPT can write a resume better than almost any human out there. It uses NLP, natural language processing, to learn and train itself on how to write the best possible resumes. And so essentially, we can prompt ChatGPT to help us write a resume, given a bunch of information. And that information is going to be the person's current resume, what type of job they're applying for, and other important information like that. So you can start with something like this. I'd like you to help me write an effective and great resume. Please tell me what information you need from me. Okay, so as you can see, ChatGPT tells me I need to enter in the contact information. This is optional, a resume objective or summary, work experience, education, skills, achievements, projects and publications if applicable, and a bunch of other optional stuff. So essentially what you guys can do is collect this information from your clients, plug it all in, and ChatGPT will generate a great resume for you. Another way you guys can do this is actually input the current resume for someone and ask ChatGPT to offer suggestions and improvements to that existing resume. So if you want to do resume consulting or editing services, then ChatGPT can really facilitate that and make your job a lot easier. In terms of marketing, you'll want to really create valuable content, post it on social media, and with that free content, you'll start to generate an audience. That can lead to a lot of organic sales, or you guys can go the route where you just list on Fiverr or Upwork and get clients that way. But yeah, this is a very, very high paying skill that's gonna be in demand for a long time. And as you guys can see, using AI to build that first draft for you or offer you suggestions, that's gonna make this a super doable side hustle for any one of you guys watching this, even if you don't have that much experience with resumes. When done right, I think you can easily be able to make $1,000 or more per day. Okay, so the next AI side hustle we're talking about today is creating an AI automation agency. There are many different types of AI automation agencies that you guys can start, but the type that I recommend doing is you basically will go into an existing business, analyze what the business is doing, all the processes and things like that. And then you'll recommend an AI tech stack that will greatly facilitate how their business runs. Nowadays, there are so many businesses that are not super efficient with the platforms and tools that they use. And with a lot of new AI tools coming out, every single day, there are more and more things that can be replaced with AI. So if you stay up to date with all these new tools and know what they do, you can offer an immensely valuable skill that can save businesses a lot of money. And when you can save businesses a lot of money, that means they're willing to pay you a lot of money as well. For example, you can go into a business and suggest them to use Fireflies, which is an AI tool that helps them take notes of meetings. You can show them how to use ChatGPT effectively, either to create content, help brainstorm, write contracts, things like that. You can show them how to use Midjourney if they do a lot of image generation. You can help them make a website using AI, using Hostinger. If they do a lot of copywriting, you can point them towards Jasper AI. They might be able to use something like Descript if they do a lot of transcriptions and translations. If they do a lot of SEO, there's tools like Ali AI and SEMrush. And yeah, you guys get the point. Since you guys are watching this video, it shows you that you already have a pretty good understanding of AI. And if you don't, this is actually a skill that only takes maybe a few weeks to really learn. All you really need to know is what these tools do and what tools actually exist. And like I said, this is a super high value add to businesses. And so as a result, you can charge a lot of money. I recommend going a flat fee route. You can also charge hourly, and I'd say do at least $100 to $500 per hour, or you can actually go performance-based, even though this is a bit more complicated. And in that case, you basically charge a percent of how much money you're saving. And once you get the hang of this, I recommend niching down, like I said before. Look at this Fiverr acing that says, I will ace your software engineer resume writing as a professional recruiter and CV maker. So it starts at $195 and gets even more expensive depending on which package. And yeah, if you look, all the really expensive ones, they are niched down. They're not general resumes. The resume is in a very specific industry. And so if you guys have that experience, or if you guys can go a niche route, definitely do that for your resume service. Now, in terms of how you guys can know what tools there are for these businesses, I recommend checking out newsletters like Ben's Bites. That's a daily newsletter that shows you all the new AI tools, what they do and all that stuff. You guys can continue watching other YouTube videos because there are a ton of great tools discussed on YouTube. And you can even do a consulting call with a business, get information about what their business does, plug that into ChatGPT and have it actually recommend what tools you can use for their business. I really think this is a long-term business that can really scale. And so yeah, when done right, this can easily be able to make $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 or more per day. If you want to do this, it's super time sensitive. I recommend doing it as soon as you can. Build up your reputation on platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, and that should be able to bring in a lot of organic clients. After that, it'll just be a lot of word of mouth. And yeah, overall, I think this is a fantastic side hustle that you guys should check out. All right, so the next AI side hustle we're talking about is starting an affiliate marketing blog using AI. Now, just a few years ago, starting a blog was a lot harder, but now there are tools that actually allow you to build websites using AI, as well as write content for you using AI. So really, there's no excuse not to succeed with this side hustle. If you don't know what an affiliate marketing website is, it's basically a website that gives out a lot of valuable information and reviews. This can be in the form of blog posts. And when people read those reviews and they click on the links and actually sign up for a product or service or buy it, you yourself make a commission. I've been doing this for years, and let me tell you guys this, it is so lucrative when done right. And so let me show you guys actually how to do this. So the first thing you need to do is actually create your website using AI. This allows you to generate a website in just a few minutes, and let me show you guys how to do that. So if you guys click on the link down below, it'll take you to this exact landing page on Hostinger. And this is, in my opinion, the best and most affordable website hosting platform out there. So you'll get the special deal by using my link down below, and then you'll click claim deal right here. And it's gonna show you the 3 different packages. So for most of you guys, I think the premium is going to be good enough. If you want some more features, you guys can go with the business plan. But yeah, here are the features of the premium plan. So you can actually make up to 100 different websites, which is insane. You get 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, you get a free email, you get a free domain, and you get their free AI website builder. So I'm gonna click add to cart right here. It's gonna tell me to choose a time period. And basically what I recommend is going with 12, 24, or 48 months. If you wanna lock in the super low rate, I recommend going with 24 or 48. But just for this video, I'm gonna go with the 12 month. You're gonna enter in your payment information here, and make sure you guys don't skip this, but come here, click have a coupon code, and then enter in Charlie Chang. So that's going to give you an even bigger discount. So as you guys can see, this is the price for 1 year of web hosting, which is just insanely cheap. It's also completely risk-free, so they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, the whole setup process for Hostinger is super easy. I'm sort of gonna go through this really quickly, but we're going to create a new website. For this video, I'll show you guys how to use the AI builder. We'll be able to claim our free domain. Cool, so charliechangtechreviews.com is available. And then bam, it's gonna open up the AI website builder. We'll enter in the brand name, the website type. Cool, so we have a description, and then we'll click create website. So it's gonna create a draft for your website that we can actually customize later on. But yeah, this took 1 minute, and we can basically come in here, change all these things up. And yeah, it's super easy. So I recommend, if you guys don't have a website yet, definitely take advantage of Hostinger's AI website builder, as well as their super affordable pricing. So again, that link is gonna be down below. Once you guys have your website started, what you guys can do is use AI tools to help you come up with ideas for your blog. So I wanna make an affiliate marketing blog. My interests are in tech, camera gear, and soccer. Can you come up with some good niches for my blog? These should be great for monetization. So it's gonna give us ideas, and basically what we can do is, if any of these resonate with you, we can go further into that. So let's say you wanna do photography tutorials and gear reviews. Give me a list of 10 affiliate marketing articles I can write for photography tutorials and gear reviews. Bam, it's gonna give you a list of articles you guys can write. And what we can do here is actually copy and paste this into ChatGPT and have it write a blog blog article for us. Of course, you'll want to revise it and add in your own information, but you guys get the point. Using AI to actually help you generate content is going to be life-changing. Now, there's no reason why you guys shouldn't be able to put out 5 to 10 different articles per day using AI. And with affiliate marketing websites, it really is about consistency and volume. The more consistent, good quality articles you can put out for a long time, the better. And of course, you can then optimize using AI tools that help you with SEO, image generation like Midjourney, and things like that. With affiliate marketing, you're not gonna start making money right away. That's impossible unless you already have a big social media platform. However, like I said earlier, if you do this for a long time and you do it correctly using AI tools to help you, you'll have a cash flowing machine. Right now, all of my affiliate marketing channels bring in over probably $4,000 or $5,000 per day. And that was just with a few years of work. Some examples of some affiliate marketing websites that absolutely print money are gonna be NerdWallet. There's my website, startwise.com, which does fairly well. There's Tom's Guide that does a lot of tech reviews, Investing Simple, which does a lot of finance stuff. And yeah, you guys get the point. You don't need to be a huge conglomerate to make a lot of money. You can have a very niche blog that does really well. And so that's why I think this is definitely a side hustle that you guys should try out. So the next AI side hustle we're talking about is creating vinyl stickers. And I know a lot of YouTubers and other people have talked about the side hustle already, but I sort of have a more niched approach when it comes to stickers. And I think that should do a lot better in the long run. So more specifically, I think a really great niche for stickers and using AI is creating car decals. These are stickers that you see on cars. Not a lot of people are talking about doing this, and I think it can be a very lucrative side hustle. So if you go to Etsy and search up car decal, we'll see a bunch of different listings. You can see most of them are just text, so not really that interesting. But what we want to do is get really creative with incorporating AI to help us generate cool images that we can turn into cool looking car decals. So as you guys can see, we're starting to get some more images like this. We have this flower one. And, basically what we want to do is we want to identify a niche that people are really passionate about. Some things off the top of my head are going to be maybe like electric vehicle owners, people that really like supercars, people that like certain animals, certain interests like running or weightlifting. We can even use ChatGPT to help us come up with ideas. So I want to create a car decal sticker business. Can you give me some ideas on great niches? Bam, if any of these resonate with you, you guys can go more in depth with it. So for example, pet lovers, we can dive deeper into this and maybe niche down to, let's say, Yorkie owners. And yeah, I think that could be a really cool niche. So now I'm gonna go to Midjourney, which is a really cool AI image generation platform. What we're gonna do is type in imagine right here. It's going to have us enter in a prompt. So I'm gonna type in cute Yorkie dog, cartoon style. You guys can get more descriptive if you want, but I'm just gonna show you guys how it works. We'll click enter, and that's gonna start generating this AI image. Okay, so it's done. These are absolutely adorable. You guys can always regenerate these if you want, or you can choose the one that you like. So let's say I like this one, we'll go with U4. That's going to upscale this fourth one and give us a high definition picture. Basically what I'm gonna do then is download this picture, bring it over to Photoshop or Illustrator, or you guys can use whatever other platform like Canva. We're going to remove the background so that it's a transparent image. And from that image, we're going to create our stickers. Now to actually create the stickers, there are many different ways you guys can do it. You guys can use a print on demand service like Printful. You can find a different supplier on, let's say, Alibaba.com, or there are many other suppliers that you guys can use to actually print out these stickers and start building up your inventory. Now to sell your stickers, there are also many different ways you guys can do this. You guys can use Etsy, you could use eBay, you can build your own Shopify store, you can make your own e-commerce store using Hostinger and WordPress. Really, it does not matter how you fulfill. The most important part, however, is getting actual sales, and that really comes down to marketing. Now, the great thing about using something like Etsy is that people are already searching for these stickers, and so that should be able to get you some organic leads. However, if you do want to make your own social media channels and make viral content on TikTok and Instagram Reels, this can actually bring in a lot of people. So for example, for these Yorkie stickers, I'd probably want to create like a cute Yorkie TikTok account where we basically just repost videos of different Yorkies. That's going to build up an audience of people that are obsessed with Yorkies, and that's going to be really the perfect audience to sell your stickers to. But yeah, really what it comes down to is using AI to make these really great designs and then getting creative with the marketing to actually get sales. But when done right, this can be a very successful e-commerce store, and that's why I want to talk about it in this video. Okay, so the next AI side hustle we're talking about is using AI to write tweets and LinkedIn posts for entrepreneurs and business owners. As more and more business owners and entrepreneurs get on social media, they are looking for people to help them generate content. And Twitter and LinkedIn, these are two platforms that not a lot of people know how to optimize. And so that's basically where you can come in. And there are so many tools out there that use AI to help you write posts. For example, there's Taplio and there's Hypefury. I actually use both of these tools for my own Twitter account and LinkedIn account, and they definitely help a lot when coming up with new content ideas. Essentially, what I would do is reach out to different business owners, tell them about the power of LinkedIn and Twitter, and offer them a solution to help them build the reputation on these platforms. I guarantee you 90% of the people that you're going to outreach to, their accounts are not optimized. They're probably not posting consistently. So there really is a lot that you guys can offer. For example, this is what Taplio looks like. It's connected to my LinkedIn account. And basically what this does is it helps us come up with content ideas. So as you guys can see, these are post inspirations. So these are posts from other people that have done really well. Basically what we can do is we can look through this, use it to brainstorm our own ideas. We can even come here, click on these three dots, go to generate variations. It'll create variations of this post that we can just post on our account. And so yeah, as you guys can see, I'm not gonna go into this in too much detail, but there are a lot of AI tools that can help us generate content. We could even use ChatGPT to help us write posts, and you can even offer services to help people optimize their LinkedIn and Twitter profiles. Now I'm actually super bullish about the side hustle because most of my friends are entrepreneurs. Most of them don't have optimized Twitter and LinkedIn pages. And so I really think they're missing out on a lot of organic social media growth. If you guys can tap into this market, I guarantee you there's gonna be so many people that can use your services. And if you build up a clientele of 5 to 10 people and charge them $1,000 per month, that's already $5,000 to $10,000 a month. With these AI tools, it shouldn't take too much of your time to help them generate posts. And so yeah, when done right and when scaled correctly, this can definitely become a super lucrative agency opportunity. So there you have it, you guys. 5 super great and lucrative side hustles that you guys can do from the comfort of your own home. Every one of these side hustles utilizes AI. And guys, I'll say this again, if you're not using AI in your businesses, you're gonna be at a severe disadvantage compared to other people. I truly believe that when done right, every single business that we talked about in this video can turn into a life-changing opportunity. So yeah, hopefully you guys got some value from this video. And if you did, I just wanna ask you for one thing, and that is to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm all about helping people become financially successful. So that's why we put out content about investing, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. Anyways, thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.